In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add photos to frames just like this here in Canva. So first off, you're going to need some frames. Now the great thing about Canva is that they have quite a lot of different styles. Now to find them, we want to come over to Elements, come up to the search bar and type in frames. You want to come down to here to where it has this little heart frame. If we click on here, we have lots and lots of different frames that we can choose from. Now if we click on one of these, let's go with this one just here. Now because this has a border around the outside, we can also change the colour of that by coming up to here and then choosing a colour. For this example, let's go with white. You're then going to need your photo. So we're going to come over to Elements. If you don't have any, Canva has lots of different ones that we can choose from. But let's go with this one just here. If you click on your photo, it's going to put it onto the page. Then you can just drag that photo into the frame like this. And to adjust the photo, we double click on the frame and then we can adjust it to however we want, then click Done. Now another way to do this is just to drag your photo straight into the frame like that. You can double click again, then adjust to however you want, click Done, and then you are done. So that's how to add photos to frames here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.